Out of all of the types of IP rights, copyrights are probably the easiest to understand. And not just easy to understand, they're also the easiest ones to acquire. I have already made another video on the topic of copyrights, but in this video and the ones following this one, I am going to elaborate on the details of copyright law. In this particular lecture, I'm just going to summarize the point that I have explained in detail in the previous video, and that point is that the very basic idea, that is the underlying concept behind copyright, is the very fact that, as the name suggests, it stops, that is prevents other people from copying your work. So copyright is the right that is given to the author of an original piece of work. So to put it very simply, let's say that you are the author of a novel, and since you wrote it, so you own the copyright in it, and you can say that no one can use your work, that is your novel, in any way without first obtaining your permission. So the right to exclude others from using your work in any way that they like is the right that we call as copyright. And just in case you didn't notice, I would like to point out that I use the word exclude deliberately. Why? Because copyright is essentially an exclusionary right, because it conveys to the owner the right to prevent others, that is to exclude others from copying their work. And as we will see in the later lectures on this topic, that it's more than just about copying, and also that in order to establish, that is in order to acquire copyrights, there are certain conditions that have to be satisfied. So do look at the other lectures in this series where I talk about each of these requirements in detail.